Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, things take a turn. It seems as if Rose start Miss GX the realest way, because lately Rose realized that all of who she think the in her corner is not in her corner. So Rose start figure out Akeem. You see it? And I guess Rose are the last person to figure that out. Now, the whole media and their mother did know say Akeem no really in it for love Rose truly. Akeem just see opportunity and Akeem strike and Akeem bingo. Now, it seems as if Rose now starts see all of that. And recently, Candy did have her grand opening for her club down at Ochi. And may I tell you say how the support was tremendous. Majority of the TikTok influencers turn up, show out, and do them thing. And the talk of the town was GX. Them say GX did come out clean. You see, them say GX and Jesus share the same police record. And every girl did a mad over GX. You see, I go find a clipping and show you right or so. Now, Rose realized say she could have did right there so, but guess what? The way how she treat people on TikTok, the little attitude that she have, her personality, cause her to stay home. And that's why everybody has say she left wealthy and lonely. Now me, as a humanitarian, me believes that people deserve a second chance, but not the chance for deal with GX again, because you disrespect the man publicly. You get me? And the world never like that. In our recent clipping, you can clearly hear Rosalee reminisce. I say she pretty much, in other words, I say she miss GX and should I be back with GX for the sake of the kids. But me, I know, say, and if you don't see no kids, Rose realized that GX was the only real person she did have in her corner.
Me realize this thing. It's not say money talk back to my baby father because I'm a kids them daddy. But I talk to him, of course, because I'm a kids them youth. It's not like say, of course, but I talk to my baby father. But the only reason why I not talk back to my baby father chat is two, we have young kids together, and we want them say that your mama a monster and your papa a monster. We can beat, we're not dead, but we can be good parent. Yeah? Because in no circumstances that the pussy will never come over here and throw my flowers to me. I never hear him say, boy, when me do with my baby mother.
Now, GX, he all our go on and come and make a response video to what Rose have to say.
I'm here to talk about go back together and go back together. That's impossible. I was disrespected in front of the world. And I'm in the house alone. It's not like it's a house argument and house argument. I was split up in the house and me come on the internet or whatever. No. I was disrespected in front of the world. The whole world. Yeah, Rosalee, I disrespect me. What you take man for, cute boss? And them could tell them get pissed off and feel ignorant and I disrespect all you too. Get them to look a pussy. You understand? You really take man for. Brother. No, not talking man, but very baby mother and baby father and be a fuck with talking them there. You mean by baby mother and baby father? No for now pitney, 3, 4, 5 pitney with much different rascal man. So only can left for the baby father. Or be full me before that can left uno. And me can left, me we can what we can left. What make we can left?
Now, in other news, things not look so good for Dontay, aka Dummy. But Pops YG, me not lie if you have some chill.
Welcome home, Duffy. Welcome home. Welcome home. Other side.
Miss one, I want Deported player now. I wish you want to play the Deported.
Which side? Which side? Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, I Deported. Oh, Jesus, alright.
So Dontay, aka Dummy Don, him said the judge order him to sign a paper for leave in a 2 weeks time. You see it? So apparently, if you never know, Dummy came up and was in the States. I think him did get married to this girl, but for some reason, or should I say, for domestic reasons, Dummy oftentimes, abuse him wife. So the wife never put in no papers for him, so Dummy overfaring in a predicament, in kind of stranded between, not getting divorced and trying to sort out also. I played the video when him saying go court and the judge gave him an ultimatum, and then now followed by that we are going to play a video of some of the TikTok influencers them. I talk to him wife, I try to plead with her, see if she can do something to stop Dummy from getting deported. Is it? So watch the videos and tell me what you think about the situation.
Say, alright, say if you must say something to it, on the mic, hit a record, so the bigger heads them and government can see it. You know that, yes or no? You didn't know that? Man, dog, I start stuttering, I know wait, man say, okay. Man said to me, say, yo, alright, did the person come for the court? I said, no. I said, alright, I'm gonna give you a couple hours and see if you can call her and see if she will come or call anybody and see if they can leave her, like say a voice note why the reason why them can't come, or if me can show something why the reason why the person not come a court with me. And brother, I mean, I have none of them the fish way, man, brother. I tell him already point blank. So me just go, me just be straightforward team. Say, oh, it's so father. All of them something they ask me for. I don't forget them. Nobody not answer my call. Nobody not go answer my message. And nobody not. Everybody. My life right now is just a media life. If somebody do something for me, they might do it on the media. I'm going to start explaining to him, man, brother. And man start say, okay, what do you do? I'm going to start telling him, say, me can't do nothing, because you don't know free me up yet. So all me have to do is go up on TikTok and beg. You see, if I tell the man that, man say, what you beg on TikTok? I say, I go on there and I ask for gift, and the gift helps support my life. Because you guys basically let me can't do nothing, brother. Man give me 2 for one, tell me if you sign one. One for make up my mind, or one for give me 1 week. I swear, brother. Man give me 2 for one, brother, and tell me sign one of them. One of them give me a week. One of them give me up to 2 weeks, and one give me pay for my flight. So I just pick it 2 weeks. I 2 weeks, me pick. We just pick it 2 weeks and tell him say, alright, give me 2 more weeks. So yeah, brother, lie me have get fucked, brother. Pay 7,000 left one lie and a lie and I come do nothing charge. He lie just come. I lie, I get it 2 weeks still I'm not around him. Cause really and truly when the dog attack me, the dog just tell me if he's signing for him and go on me hard. Which is, me do you want, alright, see, if it up to me alone, me sign for him and go on me hard, that's not really business. But lie, they tell me if it take it 2 weeks. Cause in a 2 weeks, you must say all the bad things can happen in a 2 weeks. In a 2 weeks, people can change their mind in a 2 weeks. Me I say to him and say, Father, me not control over nobody. Me can't make nobody change their mind. Me can't. He say, alright, take it 2 weeks. So I say, if you use this same money when you pay, you go help with the same case or different money. Man say a different money for do everything, brother. So when I see me come here, so dog, and you see me come over here some more time, brother. So I look at drain energy thing I did half the year, dog. And me can't come over here as a convent because you see one look at time I come over here so I show them people as I need help or strength. Me see how them deal with you, so they beg them, you know. So you see, cause of that, my dog, can't go like man up. Me can't come vent and show certain, you know, show certain emotions no more. Cause me know them deal with you. Especially when they want it, when I really want.
Involving yourself with Dontay's situation.
No, I never. No, that's what
I'm saying because.
Oh, yes, in fact, that's never say you gotta try to make a link. As in, it's a work. A work matter, boy, no.
It doesn't matter to me what you're talking about. Me, what I'm trying to say to you, because I'm sure you did taking some of this that was happening. What do you think about that now?
No, let me tell you, alright. You see, for the past like week or 2 weeks, I don't know the situation because I was a scroll pass. Because I just think I just regular normal, we just go back and forth, right? Mm-hmm. But I get to understand now, say something about come home.
Mm-hmm. That's what he said to the media, not me.
Oh, so don't really go so then?
I don't know yet. We'll see this weekend because last Saturday, because remember the week just run off. Last week, Saturday, in same court, this and court that, and him have 2 weeks in America. So this will be the second week. So let's see what happens. I don't know. We just have to find out as
although me and the person way that me a while ago. I know me and him a deal. I know good youth. But may I say, as what him said too, you could just make bygones and you just separate.
But TJ, I did try to make bygones be bygones. I did. And gotta go strike them down. You gotta go strike them down. You gotta go strike him in mother down because then she need to combat the phone. One time we did have this discussion, and we can call up the lawyer now and say, hey, such and such. You remember? Yeah, we want to talk about this.
I never know, so we come from the same. I swear to God, I never know this. So I know we have to build up bias. It's like all of we come from the same, like we have like similar link and family member and friend and Ray. I wonder if I could. It says if a dog apologize, tell Pops that we are doing something. I don't know much we are playing. If a dog apologize to you, pan life since on this is, but only can apologize to each other, you know. You agree if I apologize to him and him apologize to you and then you just call it quits and then when you do one and just separate and just call it up, you know, fish tea.
What may I apologize for?
Tropical, we know how man and woman thing go. I'm going to be surprised if you know back, you know. I not get involved in a man and woman, so I will listen, but I not get involved in that. No, Pops, I'm not match, bro. You're going to come with drama. I see something I'm going. So may I say, if you could just apologize to each other and then you just go in a separate ways and just hate that. What you would I hope that I not get involved still, but as I say, it would have been just be, you know, it would have been okay.
Apologize about what? Telling him the truth to his face?
It no matter.